Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find and add Bitcoin on TradingView step by step. First, open the TradingView desktop app or go to the TradingView website and enter the main chart view. Once you're inside the chart, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the watch list icon. It looks like a small list symbol. This opens the watch list, details, and news panel. Next, click on the plus icon to add a new symbol. In the search bar, type Bitcoin or simply BTC. You'll see different Bitcoin trading pairs appear in the results, such as BTCUSDT, BTCUSD, and listings from different exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or others. Choose the pair you prefer. For example, if you trade against USDT, select BTCUSDT from your preferred exchange. Click the plus button next to it. Now, when you select Bitcoin from your watch list, you'll see that it has been successfully added to your chart. And that's it. That's how you find and add Bitcoin on TradingView. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick TradingView tutorials. Thanks for watching.